Hello and welcome all. So in today's video we will learn about the Python for the beginners from beginner to advanced level. So in this series if you follow along with me you will be able to learn the Python, a programming language which will be helpful for you to get switch your career to the IT background and many more things. So learning a programming language step by step, we are starting from a very beginning stage, and after that we can go on to a next stage step by step. So for Python, it comes Collab notebook. Hit enter. Hit the first option. Welcome to Collab. So once that option is being clicked, the site is being loaded, and you will be redirected to the Collab site. Like this will open. So in this we have a recent are the one which are present in my drive, all these Python files. You can directly click on new notebook will create new notebook for you in the Python. So it is being loaded. Yeah. So like this, this is the Collab interface in which we have extension is .pynb. NB is notebook, py is the Python extension, I is they have used. uh, it will saved into my drive location. So this is the Collab interface in which we have file edit. Under file option you can locate into your drive, create a new notebook, open a new notebook, upload a notebook which is somewhere if present in your system. We have edit option. Edit, you can select a cell, cut, paste. You have view option. So along with the time we get known to all these options time by time, step by step process. So in the right hand side we have comment option, we can share the same file. We have connect option. So once program is being compiled and run, this connect option will be connected. It is powered by Gemini. And left hand side we have all bunch of options. So in the step by step process we can learn this. So for today's we can start with, I have created this file. So Python is a programming language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It is used for web development, web application in the server side, and used for software development and many more further use of it. So yes, in Python, first thing is install the Python. So for that we are using Collab, so directly we can go on to the code. But installation step, if you have Python or you need to install, you can check in your Windows whether sometime pre-installed Python is there in your system. You can directly type window R keyword and type in cmd. A command prompt will open. Similar, this is for Windows user. For Mac user you can open the terminal, and for Linux user you can open the command line and type in Python space version. If you hit enter, it will show the type of version you have present in your system. So in my system I don't have Python version pre-installed. So you can check for your system also. So this what it will do. So Python is an interpreted programming language. We can write Python in the files. Like if I open a notepad, save the file with .py. So like here it is written Python. So directly in command prompt you can either write Python, it will give this Python version. So after that it have hello world program being printed, which we'll see in just after a few seconds. So if that will work, once that execute statement will work, this will show hello world, and after that you have to press exit. Exit syntax is there. So it is all for if you have Python being installed in your system. So for us we are using Collab version. So for that, directly come on to Collab. You have already seen the step how to come on to that. And so first we'll learn to type hello world how to write in Python. It's very simple. Simply write print statement, print bracket open, then under inverted commas you can write hello world. If I click on execute, see, here it will show a tick, means the program is being connected. If I it is not being connected in this file because I have created no. So once I execute this, this is the output which I will get. So this is the basic print hello world statement which we can use in our Python system. So other Python editor version we already have seen, this is a pretty simple syntax in Python we can use. After that we can check our Python version, like this Python being executed on Colab, which version is this Python. You can simply use import sys is the library file, and then you can type print. It is a syntax, you can remember this sys dot version. If I execute this, it will show the current version being used is in this Colab compiler. It is 3.10.12. So like this, if you have installed Python in your Windows system, you can check that also. So for this video we are wrapping up it here. So step by step we can go in long form also. So based on your comments we will go, like how you like the videos, or follow, if you follow the series, what alteration or addition you need in this. So do like, share and subscribe the video. It keeps me motivated to keep preparing such kind of videos for you. So step by step follow the process. Comment is for you people, you can type in and always suggest what I need to being prepared, or how I can deliver a most keep you people understanding about the lecture. So like this you can always comment. So do share the videos, keeps me motivated to keep working for you people.